Did you know Google Flow has a secret feature built right into it?
Most people don't even notice the Community tab, but creators are dropping some mind-blowing custom presets in here.
Today, we're going to explore the absolute best community tools inside Google Flow. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future AI guides.
First, go into Google Flow, head over to Tools, and select the Community tab. From here, we are going to pick the Character Persona Generator. You will see a standard safety notice here. It is just a reminder not to share personal information since these are community-built tools. We are just exploring today, so let us jump right in. Take a look at this interface. First, I am going to upload my avatar character as our reference subject. Down here, you will see three main customization options: face angles, expressions, and body shots. And hit Create. Let us wait a minute or two for Flow to render the results. Look at that! The options I selected generated so clearly. Wow, that turned out really good. Now, to show you how powerful this tool really is, I am going to select all of the options: face angles, expressions, and body shots, and generate everything at once to show how the full workflow operates. You do have to wait a couple of minutes for a full multi-angle generation, so let us give it a moment. Wow, this is amazing. Look at all these variations: face angles, expressions, full body shots, and my character stays completely consistent across every single image. That is how you lock in character consistency in Google Flow.
Next up, I'm trying out the brand Carousel Builder. I'm just going to run a quick demo here to show you how it works, but you can definitely customize this in a bunch of different ways for your own content.
Let us open it up. I will simply select a quick preset topic for our demo and hit Build Carousel. Just like the other tools, you will need to give it a minute or two to generate all the slides and layouts. Let us check it out. Wow, look at how easily you can build a complete social media carousel with this.
If you take the time to put in detailed prompts, you can get some ridiculously good results for Instagram or LinkedIn. This saves so much time.
Next up, we have Geo Visualizer. With this tool, you can upload a photo and automatically generate a 360-degree drone orbit around it. Pro tip, you really want to upload a real location photo for this one. When you use a real photograph, the tool can actually identify the exact location and geometry of the place. I uploaded an AI photo here to test it out, and while it will not pull real map metadata, let us generate that 360 orbit anyway and see how it turns out. Wow, look at that! That is an amazing video. It built a smooth, professional drone camera path around the location completely automatically. Next up, we have Car Showdown. For this one, I am just going to quickly upload 2 car images to show you how fast and easy this tool actually works. I'm keeping it moving fast today so you can see the overall workflow. So let us hit Generate and see how it blends these two together. Let us check out the result. Wow, look at that! That is amazing. It automatically matched the studio lighting, headlamp reflections, and position for both cars into one cinematic shot.
Before we wrap up, here are 5 quick notes you should keep in mind when using these tools.
Number 1. Check the Community tab. Google Flow has a built-in library of custom creator tools that go way beyond basic text prompting. Number 2. Lock in character consistency. The character persona generator makes it super easy to get matching face angles, expressions, and body shots for the exact same character. Number 3. Speed up your social content. Brand Carousel Builder lets you generate multi-slide social graphics right inside Flow, saving you hours in Canva. Number 4. Use real photos for 360-degree orbits. GeoVisualizer works best with actual real-world photos because it uses real spatial geometry to create those cinematic drone shots. Number 5. Quick cinematic composition. Tools like Car Showdown handle complex lighting, reflections, and multi-subject positioning automatically, so you do not have to guess.
That's a wrap on 4 game-changing community tools inside Google Flow. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more AI video tips. Catch you in the next one.